Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, go ahead and watch all of my other videos, and if you like them, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And what I have for you guys today is a wig review. This wig is by Vanessa, and it is a party lace deep reverse J-parting fashion wig, and this wig is called DRJ JESLI, and this is what she looks like. And this wig is in a 1, so you can say that 1 is a jet black. Okay, I've been looking on YouTube and see have anyone did a review on this wig, and I have not found a video yet. So this is the wig, DRJ, which I don't know what that stands for, JESLI, J-E-S-L-I, and the color is 1. And it says so stylish, and it is heat wave. Let me see. Those are all the colors and numbers that it comes in. So like I said, I got a 1. So let me go ahead and open up this package for you guys. Like I said, I haven't found any video on someone reviewing this wig, so I am going to review it for you all. I saw this wig on House of Beauty Wigs.com, houseofbeautywigs.com. So if I can just take it apart, get the hair netting off of it. So this is a closer look at the wig. Okay. Go ahead and remove the tag. Now this wig, I'm going to show you what she looks like on the inside. This is what she looks like on the inside. She does have the Vanessa logo on the wig cap, and she has the Vanessa logo tag on the back. These are the adjustable straps, which you can, you know, put it to the fitting of your head. Okay, they are adjustable. Okay, you put them in each loop to secure it to your head. Then you have a comb, 2 combs on the side. 2 combs. No combs in the back. And this is wig cap. Okay? And it shows you the deeply J curve in the cap. And that's what it looks like. Okay, trying to get it to focus. What it looks like. The J curve in your cap. And so this is what it is. The J curve. And this is what she looks like. Look at the curls in the back here. And this is in the front. Okay, let me go ahead and put it on for you guys. Okay, be right back. First, I got my wig cap on. which I should have had a lighter cap, and I just may put a powder or concealer in the lace area. Okay, it almost looked like the wig that I had on. So y'all, look at this wig here. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at the curls in it. Look at that. Turn around for you guys. Curls. And you can style this wig any way you want to style her. I'm not going to be doing any cutting on this wig because I like her the way she is. Now this wig is very soft. It is heat waved. You may can add some heat to this hair, but I'm not sure. It is really soft, you guys, and it's very shiny. Let's see if I can spruce her up a little. You guys, I am loving this wig. You can kind of lay her down flat if you would like so to do. You can lay her flat, you know, just by combing your fingers through her. Let's see. Try to bring some curls in front of my hair, in front of my face. You guys, if you want this wig, go to hairbeautyworld.com and look up DRJ JESLI. So look her up. So let me see. loving sister girl. Yes, I am. You can comb her back if you like. I'm just doing something, you guys, just to try to create a look. Okay, maybe pull out little baby hairs. But it's not baby hairs, you guys. But you can create your own. You can make her your own. Like I said, make her your own, you guys. So, I paid for this wig with my own money. So I thought maybe I would share this with you all because I haven't seen any reviews on this wig. So if you like this wig, go to hairbeautyworld.com and get you one, okay? And I will list the price or the link down below. So you guys, this is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned for another video. You will never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.